Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Got a little short message for you, a little hack for beginner gardeners. And you don't have to be a specific gardener. You can be a homesteader or a prepper that's doing some gardening. And this is a little hack to help you out in your garden. It has to deal with Epsom salt. Now there's some great articles out there on the internet and even a couple of videos, but I'm just going to tell you real quick what I do here. So I take a 1 gallon jug and I take hot tap water, not boiling off the stove, just tap water, fill it up about a fifth of the way to a quarter of the way full. 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt and put it inside. Okay, so it's 1 tablespoon per gallon. Shake it up really good. The reason I'm using hot tap water is to make sure that the Epsom salt dissolves quickly, and because our regular tap water here is really cold. So when I go over to the sink here and I fill it up with the cold water, I wind up with some cool water rather than ice cold tap water. So the next step here is fill it up. Now, once you have this done, this is used to you can use it on a number of different ways. You can take it and put it on, in general, watering of your pots. You know, in a day you do this once a week, or I keep watching, I don't want it to overfull. Okay, about there. And mix the two up. All right, get where I'm not being whited out by the backlight there. Not too far. Okay, so you can take this and put it in a little spray bottle, and you can spray the foliage of your tomatoes. It's really good for your tomatoes. You want to do it in the mid-morning, not at night. You can spray it on, there's a couple other vegetable plants you can spray it on the leaves to help them, absorb the magnesium and the sulfur. The other thing you can do is what I'm going to be doing here with my plants. I fill up my little watering can and I just give it a little bit of water on the seedlings and stuff so that they can really develop, because when the seeds first germinate and stuff, they use up a lot of the sulfur that they have in them, and they need to replenish that. And that's what the the Epsom salt magnesium sulfate helps take care of. And then the minerals of the magnesium stuff helps in just general plant growth. So that's a little quick hack for you. Try it out, check it out. Don't take my word for it. Read up on it. Alrighty? And as always, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared, grow a garden, and I'll see you in the next video.